Hey YouTube, it's just a quick EDC everyday carry little thing. Never done one before. Haven't done a whole lot of YouTube at all. Taping videos, nothing. This is just a quick look at my everyday carry. Got the Condor pack in with the nice American flag on the front. Little pocket out front here. I don't really put anything in there. If I do, it's just my cloth to wipe my glasses because I have to wear glasses. Pain in the butt. So I usually just stuff them in here like that. Just like that. Now I usually just throw them under the driver's seat of my Jeep when I'm driving. This fits perfectly under there, so works out well. And in the back it's got you guys have seen lots of videos on these ones. It's got 2 buttons to fasten it, little carry handle, double zippers. Carry just a regular pen, an old carabiner, just a cheap keychain type carabiner, nail clipper, and a small knife, CRKT. It's a nice little knife. I love it. It's good and sharp. It's the PECK, Ed Halligan engineered. Sweet little knife. Jump drive. Moleskin notebook. And a trusty Zippo. And a small little tape measure. And a handcuff key. It's a locker key for my work. And I just put a few first aid supplies, just different size band-aids right now, but I'm going to add on to that. And I got an old Surefire. I believe it's a Scout. No, Executive Elite E2A. I've had it for a while now, a few years. It's a good little light. And the Spyderco. I've had this for years too. Got to sharpen it. It's been well worn. Good size. It's a good size knife. I like that knife. Don't like the clip. It came out with a plastic clip when they first came out with this knife. It's just crap. It's garbage. Doesn't stay in my pocket at all now. That's why I carried it in this. Still like the knife though. Good knife. That's about it. I'm always looking for things to add on to it. And I will add on to it as I go. But that's just the bare essentials right now. And of course, the iPhone's always with me. The Jeep keys. And just a cheap old $20 buck knife. Or sorry, $9.99 buck. I carry that everywhere in my pocket. It's got a good clip on it. I like this little knife. Cheap. I'd like to upgrade. Knives are expensive. And that's essentially it. Other than my Condor contractor's cap. Velcro. IR patch. Unit patch. Love these hats. Love them. I got one black one for work that I wear at work, and this one for everyday use. Got to keep the old head from sunburning. So that's it. It's just a quick one. Just to experiment. See how many hits I get. No, I haven't got very many hits on my garden and stuff, but I'm just starting out, getting used to this flip camera. And that's it for now. We'll talk to you soon.